Well, the window is open.
The water is squirting between my toes.
So how's it leaking?
I don't know.
Right here.
Where?
Down there. That's where it's coming from. Cause then
It don't feel as wet. Ah, here we go. Found it. It's wet right here.
I should have lifted that up. Ew.
It's like wet all over this basement, except for right here. It's dry over here.
Yep. Yep. That's where it came from. Yep.
Wet all over here. And this is the only dry spot.
Yep, it came from right here.
Windows.
It came from right here.
I just said it was coming from there.
You can even hear it moving.
Ooh, it's a puddle under there. Oh, I'm telling. I'm breaking her rug.
It's gonna have to come up eventually.
Wait, nope, it's dry right between here. There's a dry spot in this random bunch of circles.
Dang.
All these footprints.
Oh. Take a move out. Your mom, she said go. Don't slide. Don't slide. Don't slide. Don't slide right there.
Where?
Do not slide. Do not slide.
Slide.
Slide going right.
Wait. Slide. Hey, surf's up.
Do not slide.
Come on, wipe out. Darn it.
Whoa. That was almost wiped out. I can't wipe out.
Make a water angel. Oh, that.
I can't wipe out.
Oh, you should surf on a tile. See if you can surf on it.
My sleeping bag. I think I wish it was on the steps.